don't you understand? I do what I want and you do what you can. This is the way I live.
Don't get robbed at your local gun show. I mean, these prices are crazy. If I was spending this price, I'd get a name brand. I wouldn't get something that was put together. You can get a SIG, an FN, a Colt, something really good. St. Victor by Springfield. Do your research. Whenever I'm at a gun show and I find a deal or something I'm interested in, I go on Google, I search it, I try to find it cheaper first. If I can't find it cheaper, then I'll buy it. So I needed a holster for this SIG 320 I brought with me to the gun show. You can have any custom design printed right on them. Maybe your business logo, your favorite sports team, or just something you drew. Buddy's Holsters can print it. Make sure you say Johnny GTV when you check out to save 10% on your order. So here's a walkthrough of the Miami Gun Show and the prices that they were asking for weapons. Here's a Sky 9mm with a crimson trace red dot. It was $399. All right, here we have a Uzi 9mm. It was $1,200. And here we have a CZ Scorpion carbine. It was $1,250, brand new. They had a lot of ARs. They had a lot of AKs. Here's a SIG AR. It was $11.99. Here's some pistols. I mean, they had a whole selection of shotguns. There was a ton of shotguns. The Keltec KSG was going for $1,400. Oh, here's that chainsaw attachment again for the AR, which is crazy. It's $800 to attach a chainsaw to your AR. A lot of magazines. The prices were pretty good. Here we have AR Mags 5 for $75. P Mags. All right. What else we got? Okay, so 100 round drums for $150. Not bad. That's pretty much what I paid at Palmetto State Armory. By the way, hit thumbs up for me. YouTube doesn't share my content much. Yeah, so they had a few different KSGs, all different colors. They range anywhere from $1,300 to $1,450. Here's some snow or Arctic white ARs. There's all different color ARs actually, ranging $1,200 to $1,400. Here's some AK mags, 30 round mags for $20, and some AR mags. Here's some Glocks, okay, for $6.99. Got that purple, silver, two-tone. And for those non-binaries who like the purple Glocks, here's some pink ARs for you also. I'm good for that price. I'd rather build 3 Palmetto ARs. Yeah, that's way too much. It's a nice AR, but too much money. That's a very cheap sight. That sight's less than $30 on Amazon. Trust me, I know. And they all have that sight on it. That's the funny part. Here's some of their polymer lowers. I prefer going with aluminum if you can. Here's a quick spin around for you guys. This was just one room also. The show was 2 big rooms. You as a gun owner are responsible for your weapon. A holster covers the trigger. This cuts the chances of an accidental discharge by a lot. If you're looking for a holster that fits your firearm best, and you don't want it to be just any normal holster, you want it custom to your firearm, then you should go with Buddy's Holsters. They're made 100% in the USA, and they're form-fitted around your firearm with heat for a perfect fit. Check out this process, how he makes them. It's amazing. This is actually a clip of him making a holster for a SIG 320 for me. Just wait until you see the quality of this holster at the end of this video. It's awesome. He has so many designs to choose from. I mean, you name it, he has it. You can even put your own personal designs on the holsters. He can actually print a photo onto one of these holsters, like your business logo or maybe your favorite sports team. So why don't you toss out that 2-year-old holster you got on Amazon and order a holster from Buddy's Holsters today? You will not be disappointed with what you receive. Check out what I received. And keep in mind, he made this right in front of me at the gun show, and it was amazing to watch the process and how good it came out. To place an order, you can do it on his website, buddysholsters.com. You can call the number on the screen right now, or you can go on his Instagram at buddysholsters. Make sure you use the promo code JohnnyGTV.